If you're looking to get started with investing and earn a little bonus along the way, Scalable Capital has a welcome offer that's worth checking out. I'll walk you through exactly how to sign up and claim your Scalable Capital welcome. Bonus. First, you'll need a referral link. You can get one from a friend, family member, or even find one online. Just make sure it's valid and takes you directly to the Scalable Capital website. Next, click the link and open a new brokerage account with Scalable Capital. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just follow the instructions to get your account set up. Now, to qualify for the bonus, you'll need to meet the investment requirements outlined in the promotion. These can vary depending on the current offer. For example, some promotions require 6-buy trades or savings plan executions of at least €150 each. Others might ask for one or more trading orders with a total volume of €250 or more. Once you've made the required trades, you'll also need to keep your account active during the loyalty period, which is usually around 6 months. This part is important because closing your account too early could make you lose the bonus. Finally, after completing all the requirements and waiting out the loyalty period, Scalable Capital will credit your welcome bonus directly to your account. This usually happens within a few weeks, so that's how you sign up and get your Scalable Capital welcome bonus. Sign up with a referral link, meet the trade requirements, stick with it through the loyalty period, then enjoy your bonus. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money saving and investing tips, and share this with a friend who might want to grab their Scalable Capital bonus too.